Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Extremely healthy ghee residue or milk solids, the waste left over after making of desi ghee and butter. But what to do with it? Look at that nutritional value. There's no point throwing it away. It isn't a waste. Look at those health benefits. Again, it isn't a waste. And now look at those culinary and industrial uses. It surely isn't a waste. So let's utilize it once again. And how to make extremely healthy semolina halwa using ghee residue or milk solids, the waste left over after making of desi ghee and butter. But before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Add water from any natural source to a saucepan and aag lagao as usual and bring the saucepan onto the heat. Add cinnamon and jaggery or brown sugar or any natural sugar. Add and stir a shade. When done, allow it to boil. And remember, just boil. We are not to reduce it. Switch off the flame and set it aside till to be used. Now, aag lagao once again, bring on a fry pan, add desi ghee and when done, that's the time when we add the dry fruits. Remember, dry fruits of your choice and quantity of your choice. Fry them, but remember, dry fruits are not fried for a long time and neither on high flame, and they must be stirred continuously, otherwise they will tend to burn out and become rather brown and bitter in taste. So there, dry fruits are done. As soon as they change color, and remove them from the heat. Now add cardamom, crushed of course, cloves and bay leaf, quantity of your choice, and stir. These spices will induce and infuse a beautiful flavor to our halwa. That is why they have been added. And quickly remove them. Add more desi ghee and when hot, semolina or suji. Add. This is very important. And let's start to roast. Stirring continuously, because if we do not stir, it may burn out. Now, slowly, semolina or suji will change color. Look, it's already started to change color, and ultimately it will become reddish, brownish, golden of course, and a nutty woodish fragrance will fill the air. It's done. Now add the ghee residue or milk solids, but before you add them, remember, heat them a little as they tend to mix faster. Now mix and mix well, stir well so that semolina and milk solid must not burn out and become bitter. Once done, now add the water mix that we have created with jaggery or brown sugar and cinnamon and mix well again. Now mix till the time semolina or suji does not absorb the water. There, the water is being absorbed. Now, when done, add the dry fruits and wait for the consistency to be achieved that you wish to keep your halwa at. Once done, there is beautiful, and what a fragrance that is going to fill the air. Switch off the heat and there, beautiful, isn't it? Now bring it onto the plate and serve the extremely healthy ghee residue or milk solid semolina halwa to all your known and remember all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.